We can reuse it. It's reusable. I don't want all that meal.
Just like you, trying to live my life and take care of my.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back to hang out with your girl. If you are new here, hey, my name is Dreka. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I'm most definitely who you need in your life. Okay, so y'all, today we are going to tackle this mudroom coat closet. I don't know, it's a mud room, but it's not a room, and it's a coat area, but it's not a closet. So we're gonna tackle this area of the house. And right now, y'all, it just got book bags. This with a purse. I kind of just threw stuff up there, so I figured out where I wanted to put it, but now it's getting outrageous over here. So I bought some baskets from Walmart, and I just bought these pretty gray ones, and they got that. I don't know what we're gonna put in here because most of this stuff I'm gonna try to throw away. Okay, so yeah, so that's what I bought. I bought these from Walmart, and we just got stuff everywhere up here. So go ahead and get started. So this is my son Nightmare. I'm gonna eventually throw this one away and get a new one, but until he might want to still play with this thing, so I'm gonna let him keep going. I'm just throw it over there. I need pillows. I done had these pillows for a minute, and I'm gonna get some more pillows to go on the beds. Anyway, so these are gonna go in the trash. Yeah, I got a trash bag, a big trash bag, because like I said, most of this stuff is going in the trash. So right there. This is my work bag. I keep the birthday bags, okay? We keeping them. We can reuse it. It's reusable. Project stuff. So I bought this for my kids when I did their room, and I think it's a 2-pack one. It's supposed to be the little bumpers so the kids won't fall out the bed. So this is a new one, and I never sent it back to Amazon. So I don't know, I'm gonna have to give it away or either take it to the thrift store or somewhere. So yeah, I'm gonna have to put this to the side because it's gotta get out soon. I'm really trying to like declutter and organize, but I gotta throw some stuff away and get stuff out of the house first. That's how we gonna declutter. Like, we ain't just gonna put stuff in other places. No, we gonna throw it away. If not, it's just gonna be sitting there, and I don't have time. It's just gonna be sitting there. Oh, and I had this diaper warmer. I was gonna give it to my friend, but I couldn't find a charger, but I think I know what a charger is. So if I can find it, I'll see if she still need it. And then if she don't need it, then I'll probably just put it in the thrift store basket and give stuff to the thrift store because I don't need it. I'm not having any more kids, so I don't need it. I bought this for 5. Well, he's not 5. I bought this for Christmas, so he haven't played with it yet, and we'll play with it soon though, for him to start learning how to do math problems. But I thought it would be pretty cool. These are some old Christmas cards. So I'm gonna keep it. Cause y'all know when that time comes, it can be time to give folks some stuff. So. Alright y'all, so I am finishing up and y'all see my watermelon back there? This one right here is huge. But anyway, don't worry about them back there. They're gonna get eaten. So, whew, I think I got to see. Okay, I guess I did. But anyway, y'all, so I'm about finishing up and at the top I ended up putting my kids like coloring books, their books, crayon boxes, just learning stuff that I usually grab for them to do during the day and stuff. I put this at the top for one because they'll come and pull the ones out the bottom and take all this out, and then y'all know. So this is what in this one, and then in this one I just put like cards, thank you cards, and just stuff we have left over. Like we have all these Christmas cards just in case this year whoever needs Christmas cards get Christmas cards and stuff like that. And then I put like my books and stuff like that up in here. And then this one I just put the 2 containers that have like the mail, and then this the one that have like the coupons and stuff in it. I put this in here. I really need to go through the mail thing because y'all, I do not want to keep all this mail in my house. Like, I've been down that road before. I used to have a drawer full of mail, and I'm like, no, whenever I get mail, I'm opening it. If I don't need it, tearing it up, putting it in the trash, shredding it, whatever. Because we are not keeping mail in our house, okay? I don't want all that mail. So this one is the one that goes right here. And so I'm gonna let y'all see how this look. Let me show y'all. So this is the top, and then that is how it's looking so far. Okay, so I did all that, y'all, and I had look at this, just look at this. Ridiculous, right? But anyway, so I went ahead and just put these up there like this. I put them that way, but at first I was gonna do them this way. Let's see if I can show y'all. That way, but I didn't like that because it would be hanging off, like right there. I kind of wish, now if I had them shorter, they probably would have been that way, but since I don't, I'm just doing this way and make them kind of even. So that's right there. And then I put the printer back up there, even though I probably won't leave that printer right there. I'll probably get another one of those from Walmart. And I did purchase these from Walmart. I think it was between $11 and $15, I think. So yeah, this how it looks. Same thing down here. And you can't really see unless you like up on these bins. Let me see if I push them back, how they look. Well, actually the bins at the bottom probably can go like this. Let's see. Because it's actually pretty wide down there. But that's not going to look right because of the top part. So we'll just turn it back. Turn them back. Let's just turn them back. Okay. Look at this creaky. Okay. All right. So yeah, that's how it look, y'all. I like it. So now I'm just going to put the backpacks and stuff back up there. Alright y'all, so this is what it looks like. A whole transformation, right? So yeah y'all, I'm gonna take all of that other stuff like the bumpers, and I think I had a whole like new thing. I don't think I showed y'all this. This right here I got a while back, and it's for a king, but I don't like it, so I never used it, and I want to give it away to somebody who's gonna use this. So I don't even need holding on to that. And then like all the other stuff like the birthday bags and stuff like that, I'll probably put them up in the other closet. Alright y'all, so I am done with my mudroom / coat closet without being in a closet. I don't know what you call this over here, but yeah, I am done organizing that. I hope this motivated y'all to get up and get some things, declutter some things, because y'all, like, we gotta declutter. Like, throw the stuff away. Give it to the Goodwill, give it to the thrift stores, I don't know, but throw the stuff away. So yeah y'all, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and definitely share, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye y'all.